Hey, how's it going, guys? Sumner from Leah. Hope you're having a beautiful day. I wanted to record a quick video to let you know that next week, April 25th, next Tuesday at 3 p.m., we're doing another market selection masterclass. We ran this yesterday, ended up running 3 hours. We had over 50 people on the call. It was unbelievable. We had probably a half a dozen or so people say, that was the best damn webinar I've ever been on in my life. Like, serious, when I say that this one webinar could go make you 6 figures plus in your land business this year, I'm not joking. That's not hyperbole, that's real. This is an incredible masterclass where we're gonna go through, show you guys exactly how we pick markets that have the highest level of demand, how we go and actually price our data, so how we go and find homogenous chunks that actually allow us to easily price our data. We go super duper deep in picking a market in real time together, live. I show you guys exactly the roadmap. And one of the things that I'm gonna pull this up here, show you guys the roadmap. So you'll see this here. I show you guys the roadmap for every stage of where you're at in your land business. So what you need to be working on between 0 and 200K, what you need to be working on 200K to 500K, what you need to be working on 500K to $1 million in profit, $1 million to 10 million. What are the actual levers that you need to be pulling on in your land business to see the results that you want? We go and break down all of the moving parts. If you're a new land investor and you're trying to make 100K, 200, 300K this year, what are the things that you actually need to focus on, right? I'm a big believer in distilling things down to their essence. It's Pareto's principle. Like, there's just a few things in our land business that moves the needle, that makes all of the difference. And we actually do something really, really cool where we go through some recent wins from inside the Leah community. These are folks that are literally implementing what we're teaching on this webinar for $79 and going through and showing the results in the last 3 months. So Alec, 100K in 3 months profit, 100K spread on Anthony's first deal, 285K in profit from 2 deals selling in April, 300K in pipeline profit to start Q2. There's just some insane stuff that we were showing in there. It's one of the best webinars, if not the best webinar I've ever put on in my life. We opened up 25 spots for the public, so non-Leah members. We opened up 25 spots yesterday. As it stands right now, I think we have 10 spots left. So I was gonna put up a video yesterday. I totally blanked on it. I wanted to make sure that I get it up before it's too late. If you guys wanna join, the link is down below. So you can go and click that link down below. Man, I look tired. It's been a long day. You can go click that link down below, reserve your spot. It's next Tuesday. So Tuesday, April 25th at 3 p.m. PST, 2 days before my birthday. It's gonna be wonderful. If you are A, either actively land investing, or B, brand new to land investing, market selection is the lever that will drive more results than anything else in your business, right? Once you master that, then cool, we'll tackle funding. Then you'll tackle hiring a team. But if you're at like sub 200K a year in your land business, this is what you need to be focusing on, market selection. And if you're actively land investing, you know the pain of selecting markets, sitting at your computer, 12 o'clock at night on a Thursday, bashing your head against your desk. God, I've been looking at this market for 3 hours and I feel more confused than when I first started, right? Have you ever felt that before? That's a very real feeling with market selection. I see market selection kill more land investors' dreams than anything else because they can't crack the code around it. So if you can master market selection, then you got to figure out how can I quantify prices. So we go over market selection, we go over pricing, and we go over a whole bunch of other stuff in terms of what to do to hit your goals in your land business this year. This video, masterclass, webinar rather, is like an MBA in flipping land for 79 bucks. So you might be saying, Sumner, why is there a fee for this? I'm a believer that you pay to pay attention, right? We've put a lot of content out for free on market selection, and there's people that still have oodles and oodles of questions. And so you put $79 down for you, so you stay focused. You take notes, you ask questions, it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna do a big old juicy Q&A at the end. Yesterday was about 3 hours, like 2 hours and 50 minutes. It was really, really good. If you guys wanna make it to that, click the link down below. If the card is closed, it's because they've all sold out. And yeah, hope to see you there.